we draw the gate for this one. A and B. Then we apply NOT gate on it. Then A or B. And then both of them are combined together using AND gate. This will be X. Right, bacho? Then we have another circuit. It says the light L is on, so output will be L. If switch A is on or switch B is on and switch C is off, we have three switches: A, B, C, and output is L. It says A is on. We will draw a single line. Then we will open this bracket. This bracket says switch B is on, and C is off. So we will apply a NOT gate on C. Off means 0. And both of them, C is off. So we have applied NOT gate over here. And both are AND. This will be B is on and C is off. Now it is OR with A. It is OR with A. Check it. Firstly, we have drawn this circuit. B is on and C is off, means C is not on. Then it is ORed with switch A is on. This is switch A is on. Right, bacho? Note it down. This is B naught. And this is A naught. So we write down here A naught, B naught. A naught means inverter of A. A is 0, so it will be 1, 1, 0, 0. B naught means inverter of B, means 0 will be 1, 1 will be 0, 1, 0. Then we may say this is P and Q. P is on B naught and A. So we will consider B naught and A for P. Okay, this is AND gate. AND gate says both input is 1, then output is 1. So B naught and A, no. B naught and no. B naught and A, both input are 1. So here output will be 1. Otherwise output will be 0. This is Q. Q is A naught and B. So you will consider A naught and B for Q. A naught and B for Q. Okay. Here both are 1. So output will 1, otherwise output will be 0. Then C. C is OR gate. दोबारा देखने. This is A, huh? And this is NOT gate on A, so we say this is A naught. A naught means inverter of A. Inverter of A means if A is 0, it will be 1. A is 0, 1. And if A is 1, it will be 0. A is 1, it will be 0. then this is not gate on B, so we say this is B naught. B naught is inverter on B. So if B is 0, it will be 1, 1 is will 0, 1, 0. Then we may say this is P. P is AND gate on A and B naught. So we will consider A and B naught for P. P. P is AND gate. AND gate says both input are 1. A naught and B. Here both input are 1. So output will be 1, otherwise output will be 0. Here both input are not 1. Here it is 1, it is 0. Then we say this is Q. Q is AND gate on A naught and B. Q. Q is AND gate on A naught and B. These are A naught and B. A naught and B. Here A naught and B both are 1, so the output will be 1, otherwise output will be 0. Then we have OR gate. This OR gate is on P and this OR gate is on Q. Okay, C is an OR gate on P and Q. अच्छा, OR gate says if either is 1, output will be 1. So either is 1, output will 1, either is 1, output will 1, otherwise output will be 0.